It's a rather gloomy Sunday afternoon, and just got back from driving Crustine. Well, as I told y'all earlier, I was going to be getting new exhaust put on, and I did. Split exhaust, 2 1/4 to Flowmaster 40s with 2.5 inch tailpipes. And it's so good. Dump out here. There's one. And there's where the other one dumps out. Right here. Give you an underside view. 63 amp Pala 2-door. Kind of wanted me to do a view of the underside. I'm out in the mud, so I'll kind of do the best I can. Anyhow, start it up for you. It's amazing how quiet that engine is now that the exhaust is only dumping out the back. And I'll say one thing, is the camera's not going to do any justice. This thing sounds... Oh, okay. There we go. Stuck in gear here. Yeah, get a listen to that. See if I can rev it a couple times for you. It's really not that loud once you rev it. It's just nice and crisp. Yep, nice crisp tone to it. Really nice and quiet up at the engine bay. I think you'll be surprised. The only thing you can hear is just the fuel pump. There's the exhaust for you. This side, and down there on that side. Ah, it sounds a lot better. This engine's running really good. Oh, I just love that sound though. Nice to have duals. Duals always make everything better. Mr. Heavy Chevy wanted me to put stacks on there, but I don't have a diesel. If I had a diesel, I probably would have done stacks. Yep. Well, there's the new exhaust, guys. Sounds a heck of a lot better than it did before. I'm really happy with it. I'll try and do a takeoff down the street drive video here to get you guys a better idea of what it sounds like. Alrighty. See ya.